Love you, Sagittarius. This is your relationship message card for you guys, and I will give you your relationship message now. And this card says here and now, Sagittarius, it's easy to yearn for a love affair or friendship you may not have right now. One that is more romantic, more fun, more reliable, more passionate. The good old days are gone, Sagittarius, and a new day has dawned. Let your heart trust that you have everything you need right now, whether you have the relationship you desire or not. Tomorrow is beyond your reach. Yes, today cannot return. The now is all that is available to you. Stay present and aware that in this moment. As you cherish and approve of your beautiful self, you are a magnet of love. Spirit is madly in love with you right now. Did you know that? Turn to Spirit to feel the joy of love in the here and now, Sagittarius. And this is your relationship message for you, Sagittarius. I'll be doing a pick a card reading after this. Bye, guys. Love you all. Take care.
For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first deck and this is your second deck. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, meditate for a few seconds and choose the pile, whichever pile comes to you first. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay guys, so let's start with the first pile for those who have chosen this deck. I'll keep this card aside. So I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. First card for you. This is your second card and this is your third card. So we will turn these cards now. It's 10 of Suns, 6 of Spheres in reverse and 9 of Moons in reverse. With these cards, guys, for your relationship, for those who have chosen this deck, the first deck. So in this connection, this person or yourself, this may be your energy or their energy. You may be the one making some important decisions in this relationship and you are the responsible one. You have too many burdens on you and you are the one you need to make all those decisions, and this person is quite careless. They do not care for you or this connection. They are simply there to make use of you guys in some ways. So they are quite greedy. They want to grab your maybe try to use you in some ways, maybe use you financially, or maybe they are there just to use your skills and abilities to their benefit, and maybe they are there just for fun, not for love. And this person is quite ambitious and they are jealous of you, so they are not saying the truth outright. They may be hiding something. Their true intentions are not shown outside, guys. So they may pose as your person, as your friend, and their evil intentions are not shown outside. And this person, maybe with this person, whatever you truly feel, your honest feelings, If you tell that out, it may result in some kind of problems in your situation, guys. So your honesty, they may not like your honesty, and if you speak your mind, you will make this circumstance worse. It may take things towards a bad turn today. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. So maybe it is time you wait in this connection. You should not speak your mind. This person will come out with the truth in their mind if you give them time. So they are not in this connection for love. They are there to just benefit themselves, just to have fun with you, but not to have that deep meaningful connection. So if you wait, if you hold your silence, hold your words, they themselves will come out with the truth. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen the first deck. So let's see what are the cards with the second deck, guys, for those who have chosen this second deck. 3 cards again from this deck. Let us see what are the cards. 4 of Wands in reverse, Ace of Wands, Queen of Pentacles. With these cards for your relationship, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, I see that in this connection with this person, you have that care for each other, mutual caring, loving and respecting connection. You both love each other and you both feel happy for each other. In this connection, you are in that creative and adventurous mode, guys, and this person is pushing you to your limits, maybe using your creativity and skill, and you both love each other's company, and you both care and nurture each other, and you are celebrating this connection. In this relationship, you have that perfect balance and harmony, and with this person you are celebrating this connection. Maybe for some of you, you are progressing in a positive way towards marriage, or it may be engagement and commitment. So happiness is what I see with these cards, guys, and maybe for some of you, you may get married to this person. You are thinking of marriage, or they are thinking of marriage with you. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. So things are progressing in a positive way towards marriage for those who have chosen this deck, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.